Now, what are some positive factors? These were negative factors. What are some positive factors that can help in reviving the heart? One is the Quran. You know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala introduces the Quran as shifa. موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور, is advice, is a admonition from your Lord, and healing for what is in the chest, what is in the heart. So Quran, if it is dealt with openness, with seriousness, with respect, heals the heart. Hadith says, تعلموا القرآن فإنه أحسن الحديث. This is Amir al-Momineen alayhi salam في النحو والبلاغة. تعلموا القرآن فإنه أحسن الحديث وتفقهوا فيه فإنه ربيع القلوب واستشفوا بنوره فإنه شفاء الصدور. Learn the Quran. This is the best speech. And learn it deeply. تفقهوا فيه. Quran is the spring for the heart. You know, when you go to a garden in the spring, everything is fresh, full of life and vitality, beautiful color. Even in summer, it's not like a spring. A spring is special. Quran is a spring for the hearts. And wastashfu bin nur, seek shifa from the light of the Quran, because Quran is shifa us-sudur, is the healing for the chest, for the heart. Another thing is meeting people who have virtues and merits, opposite to what we had before. Mu'asharatu dhawil fada'il hayatul qulub. Mu'ashara, to meet people who have fada'il, merits and virtues. People who do charity, people who are kind, people who are, teachers, sincere, volunteers, good parents, good children, people who have good merits. This will revive your heart. You get energy, even if they don't talk anything, you get energy from them. لقاء أهل الخير عمارة القلوب. Amir al-Mu'minin said, meeting people who are Ahlul Khair, people of doing good things, especially good things to other people, ihsan. This is imaratul qulub. Imara means development, restoration. Liqa'u ahli al-ma'rifah, imaratul qulub. Also, meeting people who have ma'rifah, pious ulama, pious talabe, or people who have ma'rifah of Allah. Meeting people who are wise. Imaratul qulub fi mu'ashirati dhawil uqul. People who are very rational. If you meet them, your heart would be improved. And of course, remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imarati qalbika bidhikrihi. I advise you to improve and develop your heart with remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And final thing for today, and it is very important that if in the night of Qadr we can do some ihsan. Some people do something very good. In the night of Qadr, they try to leave aside some big money for sadaqah and charity, something that you want to spend over a year. Try to make niyyah, and if possible, leave it aside now in Laylatul Qadr, because then your reward is much more. So if in Laylatul Qadr you give 10 pounds, is like giving 10 pounds every night for 1,000 months at least. So some people make this their financial year also to pay khums this month, any sadaqah, anything, any intention. And if you can even leave the side of, it's better in Laylatul Qadr. That's a great thing. So, روي أن رجلا شكا إلى النبي قساوة قلبه. Someone complained to the Prophet, my heart is hard. Maybe he felt he doesn't connect to the Quran, he doesn't connect to the Salat, maybe he couldn't cry. So from some symptoms, he realized that he has qasawatul qalb, hardness of the heart. So he complained to the Prophet about his problem. فَقَالَ إِذَا أَرَدْتَ أَنْ يَلِينَ قَلْبُكَ. If you want your heart to become soft, فَأَطْعِمِ الْمِسْكِينَ. Feed poor people. And I think feeding is more than giving money. If possible, make sure that you yourself are meeting the poor people and give something with your hand, or do something. Of course, if you don't have access, it's good to give money, but it's great barakah in being the last hand that helps them. You know, when they see you and they receive this from you, it's different experience. And they pray that they would, make for you. Every person who is occurring in this channel of charity, every person is receiving barakah, lots of barakah. The one who gives, the one who passes on. Even if 100 people are in this process, they all get barakah. But my understanding is there is a special barakah if you can have encounter with the poor people. Feed them with your hand, give them dress with. And if you can involve your children, there is hadith from Imam Raza alayhi salam, which emphasizes on giving children the habit of giving charity with their hand. It's very important. فَأَطْعِمِ الْمِسْكِينَ وَامْسَحْ رَأْسَ الْيَتِيمِ. Feed poor people and wipe the head of an orphan. Of course, this doesn't mean that you just look for orphans, to put your hand on their head. It means that show them love in the best way you can do. So don't stop giving money. Give lots of money as much as you can, but also try to look for opportunities that you yourself can meet them and help them and see the joy that this brings to their heart and feel more responsible in future that you have to look after them. Like your own family, it's not enough you just feed your family. Your family should see you. Yeah, they need you to spend time with them. I say, no, I send you money. Don't ask about me, I just send you money. It's not enough. Love needs close contact.